Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lovely viewers, we are here in Abuja, precisely the International Conference Center. It's the 10th anniversary of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. Of course, we are here to bring you the live coverage of the event as well as interact with some participants about their anticipation and expectations of this 10th anniversary of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. Don't forget to stay tuned as we engage with some participants. So we have one of our brothers with us. Can you stand here for us? Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
What is your name, brother?
My name is Ahmed Mustafa.
Ahmed Mustafa. It is the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. What are your expectations? My
expectations are to learn more religiously, to learn from the great scholars, because they have a great line of scholars from MuftiMenk, Wa'il Ibrahim, very great scholars, and I hope to learn more from them. I hope to carry the knowledge from what I've learned, to implement it, and to be better spiritually.
It's the 10th edition. How many times have you been here for the convention?
So incidentally, this is my first time coming to the Ummah convention.
Wow, this is your first time, and then your expectations are just to learn. That's solid. Any other message for your colleagues watching you?
So, One Ummah Convention is a very nice initiative, and I really commend the organizers. And if you are seeing this, you should plan as much as possible to attend the next One Ummah Convention.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Do enjoy the rest of it.
You're welcome.
Haji, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Mariam Ibrahim.
Haji Mariam, it's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. What are your expectations?
Expectation on this program is, actually this is the first time I'm attending, so I'm seeing a totally different thing. It's not that I've been here before, but then for the few hours I've spent here, based on my analysis and everything, I wish this should occur, not even yearly. I wish it should occur in months, because it's so vast and so educating. When I stepped in, I felt the Islam arena, and everyone is smiling, everyone is well dressed, and I felt I was in Umrah. I told my brother.
MashaAllah.
It's so nice having seen your brothers in Islam and sisters in Islam collectively joining hands to make the world and impact a better place. So, MashaAllah.
Thank you so much. What is your message to other colleagues watching you?
Okay, my message is I suggest everyone should be part of this. I suggest everyone should be part of it, and you should also encourage the progression of this program. You should contribute financially, physically, and everything, and make it a better one. So.
Wow. So you heard that. You need to contribute with all your strength, your intellect, financially, anything that you can. Thank you so much, Haji Mariam.
You're welcome.
So we are still here at the International Conference Center here in Abuja. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. We'll be interacting with more of our people. We have one Hajia with us. Hajia, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, my brother.
Hajia, what is your name?
My name is Mrs. Shehu, and I am an ardent customer of One Ummah.
Wow. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. How long have you been attending this convention?
I think I've attended like 4 or 5 times. And
wow.
Yeah, I've attended like 4 or 5 times.
What do you think of this convention, initiatives like this? What do you think about it?
Okay, I'm just about entering, so I don't really know what's happening today.
I'm saying, for your past experiences, what do you think about initiatives like this?
Oh, initiatives like this are really welcome. These are the kind of things that bring the Ummah together. As you can see, their name is One Ummah. This name is so dear to me. All my children are here volunteering. They've been here. In fact, they've been coming since, I think, 2 days back. They had a dinner. They were here yesterday. And today they left home around 6 a.m. And this is the kind of thing I want my children to grow up with. I would say, Alhamdulillah, we have somebody that has, stood his ground. And so far, so good. We thought, it's not like a Nigerian thing that you say, they will start and they will leave it. He has really, he's standing the test of time.
Ustaz Abubakar and his team.
Yes. We wish our stars Abubakar, Mufti, and all the other sheikhs that came, we wish them all the best. And this is the kind of thing the Ummah should be looking forward to.
So what are expectations towards today's event?
Well, I expect to leave here happy, and I expect to gain a lot of knowledge. A lot of things are happening, and they are going to have teen sections, and I hope, with the kind of things that are happening now in the society, I hope what they will teach these our children in that teen section will be something, for them to hold on to, and take the path that they're expected to follow, the right path.
Wow, thank you so much. Hajia, do you have any special message to anyone watching you?
It's just the Ummah and the Palestinian and the Gaza people. We wish them, our hearts are all out to them. We've just been praying. We've been saying Ilafi Quration. We've been praying. We've been doing Alam Tara Kaifa. Just doing our best. That's the best we can do. Pray for them. And everything will be fine, inshallah.
Inshallah, everything will be fine. Thank you so much for joining us. We are here at the International Conference Center in Abuja. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. Assalamu alaikum, my brother.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Can you tell us your name?
My name is Mohammed Adasa.
Mr. Mohammed, it's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. How long have you been attending this convention?
This is my first time of attending. Yeah.
Allahu Akbar. So what are expectations?
Basically, coming here was because of the scholars that will be in attendance, the likes of MuftiMenk, the likes of what's his name? I've forgotten his
Wael Ibrahim.
Exactly, Wael Ibrahim. So they are just an inspiration speaker. They are part of the people that have inspired Islam. They've even inspired me while I was young up to this stage. So it's just an honor just coming here.
Wow. What message do you have for people watching you?
The message I have for people watching me is just to keep trying, because this world is actually nothing, and where we are going is what really matters the most. So we should just keep on and hold on to our deen and the sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Thank you so much, Mr. Muhammad. Do enjoy the rest of your weekend.
And you too, thank you.
You're welcome. We are here at the International Conference Center here in Abuja, Nigeria. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. Keep watching Hafiz TV. Stay tuned as we bring you more and more. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Can you tell us your name?
I'm Abdurrahman Adam Musa.
Abdurrahman Adam Musa. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. How long have you been in attendance?
Yeah, this is my third year attending the program.
And what are expectations for this edition?
Yeah, we expect to add to our experience, add to the knowledge we have, and more importantly, act towards what we learned from this program. Yeah, I think.
MashaAllah, that is solid. What message do you have for our audience watching you?
The audience, the Ummah, of course, I urge them to try and emulate the teachings they learned from this very convention, the best program. I think I urge people to at least try to modify the way they live. I mean, some of the negative characters and the habits we have, we try to at least correct them. We try to work with the teachings of the Quran and Sunnah, as the scholars always try to call us towards that. And we try to change the bad and the narratives of our life.
That is the theme of the convention, changing the narratives. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Mohammed.
It's okay. Thank you so much. You're welcome.
We are still here at the International Conference Center here in Abuja. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. We have some kids joining us. Kindly join us. How are you, my brother?
I'm fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kindly join me here. What's your name?
Abdulaziz.
Abdulaziz.
Yes.
You're a student, I guess.
Yes, I'm a student.
From which school?
Rayhan Academy.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
How are you, my brother?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Usman Ismail.
MashaAllah. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. What are your expectations?
My expectations are high. They've brought in like great sheikhs into like the convention, and I'm expecting myself to hear like amazing speeches and things to move me today.
MashaAllah, things will definitely move you, my brother. What are you expecting to?
Like good lectures and lectures that will bring benefits to my life.
Definitely. That's why One Ummah is here for you. So, what message do you have for your friends watching you?
For the friends watching us, I think if they're not here, they are missing a lot and they've lost a lot already. So my message for them is to try as much as possible to be here or to watch it live, or anyhow they can get information from.
They can watch it live on Hafiz TV.
You can watch it live on Hafiz TV, inshallah.
All right. What message do you have for your friends?
If they are not here, they are missing a lot. They should come next year to surely be there.
So if you are not here, you are missing a lot. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. My brothers, thank you for joining us. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. So this is where we bring our interview to an end. It's the 10th edition of One Ummah Peace and Unity Convention. My name is Hafiz Larry. Keep watching Hafiz TV. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles at Hafiz TV. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.